Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Everrange community located in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to be touring a David Weekley model home. David Weekley Homes is one of 6 builders out here in the Mariposa neighborhood. This is the sawmill floor plan. This is a 2-story floor plan that features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,775 square feet to about 2,862 square feet. Now, David Weekley offers 6 floor plans here in this neighborhood. You're gonna have single and 2-story homes, 4 to 5 bedrooms that range from 2,200 square feet to just under 2,900 square feet. We're gonna continue our tour over here to the right. Here is bedroom 2, and there are 2 bedrooms on the first floor and 2 bedrooms on the second floor, with the owner suite being on the first floor. Here is the closet. Now this model home features 10-foot ceiling height, and then on the second floor will be 9-foot ceiling height, and that is standard. Okay, 8-foot interior doors. And here we have the first full bathroom, walk-in shower. Now this is where the office is located. This is where the garage would be, so there would be a wall there. Let's continue our tour over here. This is the study. All right, heading across is the utility room or the laundry room. Okay, this would be the garage entry door. Now, Everrange is a natural gas community, so you will have an opportunity to have a gas dryer or an electric dryer. Okay, you have a stop and drop or backpack rack here. Okay, and across there is a closet, storage room, and then it wraps around under the stairs. So there's lots of storage in this closet. Next is the dining room. We have tall ceilings here. You can see the vaulted ceiling. And you have 6 windows over here, allowing for natural light. A kitchen over here. Now there is opportunity to build here with David Weekley. You can choose structural options and the design options as well. For example, you can choose whether you'd like stacked cabinets, in or under cabinet lighting, the gourmet kitchen layout or standard layout, flooring, countertops. Okay, pantry here. Okay, next is the living room. Now, I do not work for David Weekley Homes, but would love to assist you in the new home journey. If you're looking to work with a realtor, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. All right, before heading outside, we're gonna take a look at the owner suite. Here, this model features a tray ceiling, large windows there, allowing for lots of natural light. Okay, here's the owner's bathroom. Okay, quartz countertop is a standard feature. Walk-in shower. And there is an option to have a standalone tub as well, if that is something that you prefer, instead of having just the walk-in shower. Okay, walk-in closet here. Water closet. All right, let's take a look outside. All right, here we are entering the covered lanai. Now there is an option to have an extended lanai, as you see here, that wraps around. This model features a summer kitchen. And there's also a structural option to include sliding glass doors here at the dining room area. All right, let's head upstairs. Now, as I was mentioning, there is opportunity to build from ground up. There's also opportunity to purchase a home under construction as well. So if your time frame does not allow for building from ground up and you're looking to move sooner, there is opportunity to purchase a home under construction as well. Feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to send you the latest inventory. All right, here we are in the loft. Okay, over here is a storage closet. Okay, you can store some games, as you see here, some blankets. And upstairs, we're also gonna find bedrooms 3 and 4, and then bathroom number 3. This one features a shower tub combo. Here's bedroom 3. All right, and the closet at this time is being used as a mechanical room for the AC because they've configured where the garage would be into the offices, but this is where the closet would be. All right, and we'll take a look at bedroom 4. Now, bedroom 4 is not staged, but David Weekley set it up so you can see the exterior studs, which are 2x6. So you could see comparing there. This is a used home, and then David Weekley's setup here. They also feature spray foam or spray insulation in the attic, as you can see here. And then here's a closet. All right, and then we're back into the loft. I'll give you a quick view here from the loft area into the dining room. If you'd like more information on David Weekley Homes, the Everrange community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.